Luxury sometimes can be felt the moment you walk in. And this is exactly what Aishwaryam apartment in Dwarka Sector 4 will provide you. The elegance in the door, you can see, like how refined, how finished the door is. And you will be given with a digital lock. From the statement chandelier to the layered ceiling lights and the beautifully designed walls. Everything has been designed for you to make you feel luxurious. Now let me show you the amazing piece of art of this apartment, which is TV unit. It is designed so peacefully, so elegantly, and the colors are so pretty. Now let's move to the spacious balcony. Here you have big windows to enter the spacious balcony. Can you see the space over here, how massive it is? Now let me take you to the first bedroom of this big apartment. Here you will also be provided with a single TV unit and again with the storage. As you can see the ceiling, it has a luxurious feel over here. Plus we have massive storage over here too. With the lightings on, here we have an attached washing area with this room. Now let's move to the second bedroom. Here again you will be provided with a TV unit with a full ceiling light and ample of storage with the almirah. Plus, here you have the access of the balcony as well. Now let's come to the attached washroom with the second bedroom. Look at the massive space over here. You will be provided again with all the fittings and with the same lighting. Now let's move to the common washroom of this apartment. Here again comes the premium tiling and again with the lighting. Now here comes the beautifully designed wall and in front of this you will be given with the dining space. Now let's come to the attached massive huge kitchen, whatever you can say. Look at the storage. How much storage you will be provided with. And you will be given with the chimney with the sink, double sink you can say. See how pretty it is. And if you talk about the color combination, it's just mwah. We also have a beautiful sized pantry. Plus, here is the fridge area. Now let's move to the third room. Here again comes with the beautiful ceiling. And we also have a tiny attached balcony with a pretty view. Now let's come to the attached washroom. Oh my goodness, how spacious it is. As you can see the color of the tiles, that is really like amazing. And again with the lighting. Let's move to the last bedroom of this beautiful apartment. Again, you will be provided with the false ceiling, TV unit and an attached balcony with this too. Here you can feel the greenery over here. How beautiful it is. Now, as you can see the spacious area over here, you can put your couch, you can design it the way you want. And now here I am again to show you the last attached washroom of this room. You have ample of storage to keep your essentials. And again, I do not have to say anything about the space or the tiles or the lighting. It's just amazing. Think this could be our next address? Let's make that first visit happen. Call PropEdge Realtors on the given number to schedule your site visit.